Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Liz. You're looking at a pair of summer sandals, and today I want to share with you just a simple and quick DIY, sharing with how I make these sandals go from this plain old black sandal into something cute and fun for the summer. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, then just keep on watching. Okay, the items I'm going to be using are these pair of black sandals, as you saw earlier in the video. I've got my hot glue gun. I have some silver diamond wrap. And then I have some of this pink diamond wrap. I've got a pair of scissors, and I cut a couple of strips of this pink diamond wrap already. And I'm going to be cutting a couple of strips, or maybe several strips of this as well. And then I have some gems. We're going to see what we're going to do with this. I may or may not use the gems, and I'm also going to be using some flowers. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to measure out a couple of pieces, several pieces of this diamond wrap right here, so that I can put it all the way around the sandal. And I'm going to cut probably 2 little strips, like so, like that. And I'm going to measure it all the way around and completely put the diamond wrap all around the edge of the shoe. So I'm going to do that with both shoes, and I will be right back. And here's the diamond wrap all the way around the sandals. Looks really cute. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some of the pink diamond wrap around the front up here, and I'm going to add the flowers, and I will be right back with the final look of this cute sandals. Alright you guys, here is the final look of these cute sandals. I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out really cute. I love it. And I'm going to be wearing them. I love the diamond wrap around the edges here. And the pink flower. It's all around. As you can see, super cute. I just love these sandals. So I hope you guys like this. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you on my channel. And I thank you all for watching so much, and I appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys later in another video. Hope you like this. Bye-bye.